Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best products in the market. Today, we have the HP Envy Inspire 7255E Wireless Color Thermal Inkjet Printer, the best home color printer and scanner available. From America's most trusted printer brand, HP, the Envy Inspire 7255E is perfect for home printing needs. It offers print speeds up to 8.5 pages per minute in black and 5.5 pages per minute in color. Key features include color printing, scanning, and copying, along with mobile and wireless printing capabilities. The printer comes with HP Plus smart features for advanced mobile printing, security, automatic updates, and more. It works with an HP account, internet connection, and original HP ink. Connectivity options include dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset and a USB 2.0 port for convenience. The HP Smart app provides a simple, guided setup process. You can easily print, scan, and copy documents from your phone, no matter where you are. With HP Plus in the Smart app, you get additional features like mobile fax and advanced scanning capabilities. The Envy Inspire 7255E comes with 3 months of instant ink included with HP Plus. You can print up to 700 pages a month and get ink delivered only when you need it. After 3 months, a monthly fee applies, saving you up to 50% on ink. The HP Envy Inspire 7255E is a premium home printer that offers excellent color printing, scanning, and copying capabilities. With HP Plus features and instant ink, it provides convenience and cost-saving benefits for home users.